Hey guys, my name is Billy Wink, and today I want to give you our third update on my 993 project. We're making small progress, but we're making progress. So, got the bumper beam in, we've got these sweet Ridline CNC deck lid hinges, and then this is my personal favorite part. So I built a 98 Cobra a long time ago, and it's what kind of helped me get into the business. I really love the color scheme we did on that car, so we copied that with this car. So this car is kind of like a reincarnation of what that car was, but a little bit further. So we've got the silver vein here on the calipers, gloss black here. We've got the silver vein subframe. If you look over here, the orange control arms that are paint match. Now, I wanted to have the best components, so this is all Tarot components here. This is the Tarot sway bar kit, and we've got the RSR subframe bushings, which kind of tilts the subframe like the RSR race car does. I'm kind of curious how it is, because I've had suspension on 997s, but this is going to be my first 993 with like full suspension, so I'm pretty pumped about how this turns out. Then, this is a mess, but you'll see here, we've got the wiring harness routed. It's in the car. You know, we've got some stuff going on here. We've got a brake rod coming through for the brake booster, so progress is occurring. Going to the front, kind of similar color scheme here. It's got all the Tarot components, adjustable sway bar, all in. We have the Bilstein coilovers front and back, but I'm super excited about how this is all coming along. We've got the brake rotors, we've got the brake pads, we've got all that stuff here. We're actually having to change out these studs a little bit longer, and we should have the wheels and tires. So my goal this week is wheels and tires, brake rotors, brake pads, studs, all that, and just kind of have the suspension and wheels kind of done. The wheels are ready to go. We're just putting the holes in the wheels because they're three-piece for the valve stems, but we're making solid progress. This is one of my favorite parts on the car here. So this is kind of an interesting story. This hood is one of one, custom handmade. I don't even remember how I got a hold of this guy. Literally, I don't. I went on Renlist when I got this car about 5 years ago, and I was searching for someone that made carbon. And they referred me to this gentleman, and this guy actually worked in the factory of Porsche. He was basically building carbon at the factory. He doesn't even speak English, so it was interesting because we're having to use Google Translate and whatnot to communicate. But this hood was built in Germany, one of one. You can see here. So the carbon work is incredible, and I had him put in these ducts to kind of give it a modern RS look. So you won't find a hood like this unless someone custom made it. We've got most of the brake components in the front now. We've got most of the harness in the front now. So, you know, we're making progress. Not as fast as I like because I'm a little bit impatient, but we're getting there. So pretty much just kind of where we're at. We're still working on it. We got a couple more parts to finish painting, and then the engine is shipped out to Protomotive. We've got everything headed that way. So we're making good progress. I'm pretty excited with this update today. And hopefully next time you see an update, we'll at least have the wheels, suspension, all that stuff fully completed, and you can actually kind of get a little bit better visual of what the car looks like. But I'm excited. I'll keep you guys posted. And if you have any questions, comment below. If you want to turbo your 993, we sell Protomotive parts, so we can help you out with that. But if you're looking for any upgrades on that car, reach out to us. Thanks for watching.